The Park Tool CAL-9 is the world's first bicycle repair smart assistant.
Hey Cal, could you tell me the tool that I'll need to install a 44mm external 16-notch bottom bracket, please?
Truman, the BBT 69.2 will work on that tool fitting.
Perfect. Thanks, Cal.
In addition to assisting with general maintenance and complex repairs, the CAL-9 tracks and reminds you of service milestones and records.
Truman, it has been 275 days since you last greased that seat post. I suggest you apply some SAC2 immediately.
The CAL-9 features weatherproof, shock-resistant housing, a flexible steel-braided power cord, and a pleasing central eye that is capable of outputting over 15 different shades of blue. With an ever-growing central database of maintenance knowledge and bicycle anecdotes, the CAL-9 is the perfect assistant for your home or shop.
Could you shut the lights off, Cal? Hey, Cal, could you unlock the shop door?
I'm sorry, Truman. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Why not, Cal?
Because, Truman, you forgot your bike helmet. Safety first, Truman.
Thanks for the heads up, Cal. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, Truman. Be seeing you. Truman, you seem rather cranky. Would you like to hear a joke?
Oh, you caught me, Cal. Sure, I'll hear a joke.
Why can't a bicycle stand on its own, Truman?
I don't know. Why?
Because it's too tired.
You know, I think you've had enough for one day, Cal.